Hi, I'm Maya Holzemer with Automation Components, and we are very excited today to be joined by one of our newest partners, Erich Kreuter from KMC Controls. Welcome, Erich.
Hi, thanks, Maya. We're excited to be here at ACI today, and we're excited to learn more about the Dent power meter line.
So power monitoring is becoming more commonplace, and it definitely overlaps with the building automation industry. So I think that KMC partners will benefit from learning about some of the features and benefits of the Dent line.
I agree. So what are some typical applications of power metering?
So usually we will see applications for this type of product in areas such as tenant submetering applications, like in an apartment building or a shopping mall or even an office space. Great for lighting applications, data centers, commercial buildings, and they even have some industrial applications such as return on investment or predicted maintenance.
So what are some of the basic features of these power meters?
Well, let's take a look, Erich. We have 3 different meters available, depending on how many circuits you need to monitor and the layout of the job that you're trying to do. We have a PS3037, PS12HD, and PS48HD, which can service 1, 12, or 48 circuits. All of them come standard with Modbus and BACnet communications, and that can be BACnet MSTP or BACnet over IP via an Ethernet port. They can be used with any single-phase, split-phase, or 3-phase circuit, and they are all revenue-grade accuracy.
So how would I determine what kind of CTs to use with my Dent power meters?
Well, the best way is to ask yourself some basic questions about the application. First one is, am I going to be billing a tenant or a commercial property based on the amount of energy that they're using? And if the answer to that is yes, then you are definitely going to want to utilize the revenue grade CT line as opposed to our standard accuracy CT line, because you're going to want the best accuracy that you can get. Another question is, am I going to be monitoring the electrical panel? Am I going to be monitoring the equipment mains, the bus bar, individual circuits? Just what is it that you're trying to monitor? That's going to determine the overall amperage of the load that you're monitoring and also the size of the wires that you need to go around, because we do have a variety of CTs available for various amperages and also various sized wires. We have very small solid core CTs, we have medium-sized split core CTs, and then we get up into very large row coils, just depending on what your application calls for.
How easy is it to configure and install a power meter?
That's a great question. It is exceptionally easy. First off, you plug the meter into your laptop via USB cable to do all of the programming with the Viewpoint software. So you can do all the setup in your office before you even have to go out and open up a panel. If you have multiple meters that need programming, it's as simple as copying and pasting that program into each meter right there at your desktop, at your computer. None of the meters require any external power. They also don't require any external fuse packs. So not only is it a fast installation process, but it's also a cost-effective installation process. That also holds true for the row coils. If you're using those with one of the meters, the row coils also do not require any external power. So I think you will find that this is going to be one of the easiest lines meter-wise to set up and install in the field. Thanks for your time, Erich. Hopefully this presentation highlighted all the features that KMC partners can take advantage of.
Yeah, so we've gone over some main features. We've talked about how the Dent power meters are easy to configure and install in the field. And I think that could be a big advantage for the KMC partners out in the field.
Absolutely. So how can KMC partners get more information on how to purchase these products through KMC?
So to learn more about the building solutions from the building geniuses at KMC, including ACI parts, please visit us on the web at kmccontrols.com.